In this unboxing video, we are demonstrating two WISE-4610 modules and one gateway, WISE-4610. Outside of the box, there is one notation sticker like this one. It means it contains built-in battery. This battery is rechargeable. Inside this black bag, there is one WISE-4610. This is the certification on the sticker and 3 M12 connectors at the bottom. Inside the box there is one black band antenna, which is NA version, so it is 915 MHz. One start up menu and one notation menu. Now just simply connect the antenna with the WISE module on the top of it. Now this one is the gateway, WISE-4610. Inside the box there is one gateway itself, one power cord, and 4 antennas. There are 2 ways to power on the WISE module. Option 1 is using M12 connector. The advantage of using this connector is waterproof. After power on, you can see the status LED is blinking. The second option is open the rubber on the left side of the module, switch on the switch, and you can see the status LED is blinking. After 15 seconds, the LED will be off automatically. This is for power save. If you press the button on the surface, it will start showing transmission status. Press the button again, it will show the battery capacity. After open the WISE-4610 gateway, you can see in the accessory there are 4 antennas. After take out 4 antennas, we only use 2 of them, the longer one. These 2 antennas are for LoRa signals. Take out the cover on the gateway of the LoRa socket and connect the antenna with it. The next step is to power on this gateway. The power cord is part of the accessory, and there is one DC in mark on the surface of the gateway. Connect the power cord with the module. In the accessory of the gateway, it only contains the transformer. The other side of the transformer you have to prepare by yourself. Connect the power cord with the transformer. The other side, plug in the socket on the wall. After power on the gateway, you can see LEDs are on. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.